You've been through steps 1 through 3. You've got your face evened out. You've got your shadows. You have your brightening accents. And now we are going to add in the warmth. Even if you have cool toned skin, even if you have white or silver hair, trust me, we need warmth in our face. It adds a youthfulness. It adds so much life. As we get older, we lose a lot of the warmth in our face, and a lot of those cool tones kind of bubble to the surface as our skin thins, and it shows the blues and the purples and the green, and we need life, and this adds it. This one is Bella. I believe we have 4 or 5 different ones, and this is Bella. It's probably my favorite, but depending on your skin tones and your coloring, when I do your color match, I'll prescribe the best one for you. And just like with everything else, it just takes a little bit because the creams are super concentrated. It's not like thinned out, watered down liquids or powders, which don't give you very much pop or richness. And it's so good. We're going to tone it down, but it's just a stain of color. Now, when I do my skin, and I am not videoing step by step, I will actually wait and do my nose contour after I use my bronzer. That way I can rub the bronzer on the tip of my nose. But I'm doing this step by step set of videos today. And so instead, I'll just kind of come in along the side a little bit and try not to mess up my nose contour too much. And I will also, a lot of times, hold off on my contour until I do my cheek bronzer, because I like to circle it onto the apples of my cheeks. And whenever I do a glow up, I always have everyone smile so that I can see where the apples of their cheeks are, and then I'll round it and buff and polish, and it really brings out this beautiful glow. This Bella bronzer has so much glow to it. It adds so much to your skin and just makes your skin look youthful and supple. It is the best. Everyone loves Bella. And then I'm just going to kind of even that out to make it blends, because you don't want a stark line between your dark and light. And again, I'm using the blush and bronzer brush, which is the same one that I used to put on my main highlight, my foundation color. It's a great brush. And when I color match you, I'll prescribe the best one for your skin and your skin's condition and the type of coverage you want, and the one that's going to give you the best look. And so you're going to want to make sure, since we've added some dark, we're going to want to make sure that that blends down in our face. I showed you how I just got a dab. I didn't even use at all. Our creams are so powerful. They're so condensed. A dab will truly do you. And so that was the bronzer. That was the warmth, the life that we're adding back into our skin. Next, we're going to move on to step 5, the lip and cheek color. And creams, once you try cream lip and cheeks, you will never, ever go back. And I'll be right back for step 5, the lip and cheek.